Welcome to Tecnofer. Here, we're inside the area dedicated to the pre-installation, pre-startup and empty tests of plants and machines. Here, we're going to see a film polyethylene washing line to treat industrial waste material, having a capacity of 1 ton per hour. Shredding phase. The line is composed of different material treatment sections. The first one is the shredding phase, where it is used a single shaft shredder with blade cutting system and a screen which regulates the output material dimensions. This shredder is complete with a radial motion pusher to grant a constant material feeding. In addition to this, the shredder is driven by an inverter which modulates its rotor rotation speed. In this way, it evens out the material flux and quantity for the next treatment phases. Washing phase. Here we can see the next phase, the washing section, where we use friction washers. Thanks to the combined action of centrifugal force principle, mechanical friction and water, these friction washers remove surface contaminants. Tecnofer set up these machines specifically for washing, installing a rotor and hold screen of dedicated geometry. Safety. Tecnofer lines ensure maximum safety for operators. In this regard, it is important to point out one of these pieces of equipment, the interlock safety device that prevents the operator's access to moving components during process operation. Settling phase. Auger transport systems introduce the material into the washing tank, which is entirely made of stainless steel. There, thanks to the difference in density, floating polyolefin separates itself from sinking contaminants. An orthogonal auger extraction system takes out these later in a continuous way. A roller transport system pushes ahead the floating material. At the end of the tank, a counter-rotating hold roller extracts and drains the material. Drying phase. With this friction washer, the washing phase ends and the material is prepared for the final drying step. Moving on to the final drying step, we can find the squeezer, which operating principle consists in compressing the material, considerably reducing its output residual humidity. To grant a continuous and constant feeding of the screw press, even with very voluminous materials, we install a dedicated forced feeding auger. Water filtration. Tecnofer washing lines can be equipped with a dedicated recirculating and mechanic filtration system for process water to reduce the demand for treated water. Here we can see a sand extracting auger, which separates solid sinking contaminants. System automation, the core of Tecnofer technology. The command and control of Tecnofer lines and machines is managed by automated systems. Tecnofer automation is projected to obtain the maximum efficiency and safety levels both for the machines and for the operators, as well as to optimize electrical energy consumption. Potentiality of the peripheral control. The line is managed by a command and control electric board complete with a touchscreen operator panel and peripheral power cabinets. These can be located near certain groups of machines, with the aim of simplifying their servo facilities, with a considerable reduction of the costs for realizing the electrical installation. The general control panel and peripheral cabinets communicate with each other by Profinet network connection. User-friendly interface. The supervision system of the operating process allows to display and manage in real time all the line functional parameters, allowing in-charge personnel to control the working process. Users can personalize process management parameters, like, for example, temperature, absorption, and speed, by a line schematized layout, with the support of charts showing the different variables like temperatures, power absorbent, speed. Scheduled maintenance interventions. The system realizes a periodic maintenance schedule with the aim to protect some specific parts of the line and to analyze parameters such as working hours and absorption of the most stressed machines. It also makes calculations which are focused on the lubricant duration. In this way, the maximum efficiency of the machines can be constant and under control. Data integration flexibility. Tecnofer automation technology can communicate with other installation management systems, such as product feeding, wastewater treatment, and extrusion lines. It can also interact with other company supervisory systems in order to manage, in a comprehensive way, all the production phases by communication protocols, which can be even different from the one chosen by Tecnofer. Tecnofer technology is the result of passion, research, and innovation.